Hey there, fellow skywatchers and space enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fascinating phenomenon that has left many of us in awe and wonder. A green fireball, captured on a dashcam, has sparked curiosity and raised some intriguing questions. So, let's unravel this cosmic mystery together. Imagine being on your morning commute, just before dawn, when suddenly, a brilliant green streak illuminates the sky. That's exactly what happened to Jason Jenkins, who, like many of us, was left in disbelief and curiosity. Initially mistaking it for a comet, Jenkins' dashcam captured this extraordinary moment, leaving us with a captivating video to analyze. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This fireball, as it's called, is a particularly bright meteor that puts on a spectacular show, visible up to 80 miles above the Earth's surface. And the green color? Well, that's a result of magnesium and nickel, which emit a vibrant blue-green light when heated and vaporized in our atmosphere. It's like nature's own light show, painting the sky with a unique hue. But why does this matter? Well, for starters, it's a reminder of the vastness and beauty of our universe. These fireballs, though rare, offer us a glimpse into the cosmic dance happening above our heads. And with more people equipped with cameras, we are able to capture and study these events, adding to our understanding of the universe. Personally, I find it fascinating how a simple dashcam can capture such a remarkable event. It's a testament to the power of technology and our ability to connect with the cosmos. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll be able to predict and even track these fireballs, adding to our knowledge of meteorology and astronomy. As for the practical implications, these fireballs can sometimes break apart, causing thunderous booms and even leaving behind debris. It's a reminder of the raw power and unpredictability of nature. Imagine a piece of that meteor crashing through someone's roof. It's a story that adds a touch of excitement and mystery to our everyday lives. So, the next time you're out and about, keep an eye on the sky. You never know when nature will put on a show, leaving us in awe and curiosity. And remember, it's these little cosmic surprises that make life a little more magical. Until next time, keep exploring and wondering, my fellow space enthusiasts. The universe has many more secrets waiting to be uncovered.